Hey guys, it's Karen from Waterfall Acrylics. Welcome to my Fluid Art channel here at Studio 205. Anyway, today's video is on film for a change because I've been playing with nothing but transparent colors and I'm on a real kick. Most of it has been off camera, so I thought I'd do a couple videos. So I know I have this one and maybe one more. Very, very bright and vibrant. Happy paintings. So yeah, let me get you down. Hey guys, another painting with too many dark spots that I'm not a fan of and too much color blocking. And I know you're like, you're crazy, and all I can say is you're right. But I have to be happy with it, and this did not do what I wanted it to do. So I'm going again. This has been spun super thin. So I'm going again. This is an 18 by 18. So not terribly large. And let's go again. I think the first time I had really done just chunks of puddles. And this time, well, I can pour on my Q-neg for sure, you know, because that's the first color. But the rest, I think I need to drizzle on a little more, get them to mix up a little better. So like the bright gold, you know, leave a little bit of space for the quinacridone magenta. You know, drizzle. And I might come back again with the gold. Or maybe I'll come back with a little more Q-neg. And then the gold again. Oops. And then the magenta again. And the only thing I want really solid is the teal. See, these are all golden colors, no pigments today. And then a bunch in the middle. All right, happy with that. Hope my phone doesn't die. Carbon Black CA, Tri-Art brand. Let's blow this out. Cool air, high fan. I missed a spot right here. I'm just gonna fix that line so it's not a line. don't think I'm gonna wait for this either. Let's give this a spin. Let's give it a tilt. All right, all the way to the paint up there. Oh yeah, I could see that flying off. That was good, Karen. Okay. No, it's too much this way, not enough this way. Oops, I'm gonna fall off. Hold on. Let me do it this way. Put the weight of the paint in this corner down here. Yep. Oh yeah, I like that composition better. Okay, hold on. Let's give this a spin. I just want that one corner, and I think I'm happy. Hard one. Good one, Karen. It's so much fun. It really is so much fun. And stop. Oh my gosh, the colors. Good grief, y'all. Yeah, I'm calling it, or I'm gonna check it. I'm gonna wipe off the bottom. It's so vibrant. I don't even mind my white cells where I dug into the paint too much. It's kind of like calming. I think the orientation, it's upside down for you, is where the white is at the bottom, and then it just turns into a sea of color and it's way up. Yeah, that's wow, 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 wow. All the different shades from transparent colors. I'm so in love. I'm so in such a kick. You guys are gonna have to put up with it for a while because I'm just totally taken. Yeah, I'm done. Ta-da. I'll try to show you a close-up of the wet results. My phone is at like 3% though, I'm afraid. Hold on, let me clean up and see how much battery I have left. One sec. All right, y'all, here's a close-up of the wet results. I'm loving it. I love it's almost like ombre, where it starts off white and then slowly gets color and then it's solid color at the top. I think it's cool, and I think that bottom part just helps keep it calm, if that makes any sense. The cells. Okay guys, back with the dry results of this one. It's all glowy. You see that? It's just glowy, glowy, glowy. Everything dried pretty much as is, kind of perfect. I see a couple little speckles I need to touch up later or sooner because it's dry. I'm undecided about how it goes from light into color. It reminds me of like, I don't know, The Wizard of Oz. It's after their tornado and now everything's in color. Let me know what you think about that. That's it for me today. let's say goodbye. All right, y'all, I'm done for the day. I've been talking a lot. Yes, pretty happy with this. It's so glowy. I guess that's the word. Like I said, very, very glowy. Let me know what you guys think. Just trying to get caught up on all my videos. Get them out to you and out the door. You guys take care. Hit me up with any questions. Big shout out to all my Patreons for all your love and support. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.